Acid reflux tips and tricks you need today. Acid reflux is a very common problem for people around the world. Knowing as much as you can about this health problem could help you decrease your level of discomfort from the symptoms. Below, you will find many tips about acid reflux and how to decrease the symptoms suffered from it. Chew your food. The more you chew your food, the less work your stomach will have to do. This also slows down the rate at which you are eating, which allows your stomach to keep up with its fullness level. Once you've eaten enough, your stomach will alert your brain and you'll feel full. The more fluid you drink during your meal, the more volume is placed in your stomach. This causes more distension in the stomach and adds pressure to the lower sphincter of the esophagus, creating the perfect condition for acid reflux. Try drinking between meals and drink water in small sips rather than big gulps. High-fat foods may be tasty, but that can be troublesome for anyone who suffers from acid reflux. Foods that are high in fat cause the sphincter of the lower portion of the esophagus to become relaxed and increase the time it takes for the stomach to empty. Both of these conditions make it possible for acid reflux to occur. Eat a healthy balanced diet of vegetables, fiber, grains, and lean protein. Avoid eating spicy foods including those with hot peppers in them. These foods can lead to painful acid reflux after eating, so not eating them can easily remedy your discomfort. Instead, focus on spices which don't lead to pain, such as cinnamon or herbs. They taste great and leave you comfortable post-meal. You should now have a good idea of what acid reflux is and how it affects your life. The tips from above will help you in many ways. Apply what you have just learned and you will soon feel much better after you eat, while you sleep and each morning when you wake. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.